Hello everyone, here in this practice we are going to learn how to write a cross join statement to join two tables together. As we discussed before, cross join or cartesian join is used to produce a huge amount of data for testing, for example. It's not used to produce a meaningful data. So here we have a practice: write a query to display the output of a cross join countries table with regions table. If you select count from table regions, the table, as we can see, contains 4 records. Select count star from table countries, and the table contains 25 records. So if you cross join table regions with table countries, number of records expected will be 100, which is 25 multiplied by 4. So select, for example, star from table regions cross join table countries. Run the statement, and here we go. As we can see, the output is 100 records. Every record in the first table is joined to every record with the second table. So in this practice we learned how to write a cross join statement. I hope this video was informative for you, and thank you for watching.